Tim.
Fuck. It's really gone.
Yeah.
You know, we could get in real trouble for this. It might be really stupid.
We need to say goodbye, Sid. We all do.
Thing is, though, after this, there's fuck all to say goodbye to. Chris gone. Dad gone. Fucking Cassie. You and me, we're...
Yeah. What are we, Sid?
Tony.
Shit. Shit. It's him. It's him.
We're under control.
Very fucking close. Tony. 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 Woohoo! Oh, fuck.
Sid, are you buckled in?
Yeah, why? Shit.
Wow.